Yo, what is up, y'all? We're back here with another video and another type of a different vibe. It's been a minute since I sat down and just, I had a moment to talk to you guys. This won't be a long video. This is just me kind of like getting you guys' opinions and stuff. I don't know. I'm kind of in the headspace of thinking about a couple of things, and I'm like, yo, what should I do next, right? Obviously, we have the G. There's still videos going up right now that are me showing like building the G and stuff. I just I believe the last thing I did that you should be seeing at least is the brakes. That's the last thing I did. But I'm thinking like, all right, what's next after I'm done with the G? Because obviously at some point the car's gonna be built. I mean, a build's never. Sometimes a build's never truly done. But in my opinion, I have like my goal, my idea where the car is gonna be at when I'm done, and I'm like, all right, this is done. What's next? So I'll kind of give you guys an opinion. What you guys think about another build? What kind of car should I build? What brand should I stick to Infiniti? Should I get a Q50 and just like build a Q50 up? Although Q50 is pretty old in my opinion. The Q50's been around since 2014. 2014 Q's been around. And it's like, damn, bro. I don't know what Infiniti's doing, y'all. Honestly, I don't know where's the next car. I mean, they did the G's for a while too, but I mean, they had a facelift. I guess they count the 2018 as a facelift technically because they had the G35, then the G37 was like the newer stuff. But that's a whole new car in my opinion. Like new motor, facelift, new interior, new tech. The Q's like the 2015 was it 2016, 2018 like that. Well, I know yeah, there's not that much difference, in my opinion. I know they did like some subtle changes to like the front bumper, rear bumper, some little lighting stuff and whatnot. Maybe a little bit shape on the back was different, but I mean like it's not much changing. Anyways, there's the Q50. Obviously, that's a contender. As you guys seen in the past videos, my friend's looking for one at the auctions. But what I didn't mention is I was considering getting one. There was one there for I think they went at $600 buy it now, and it was honestly not that bad. But then I'm like, bro, Q's old in my opinion. Like it's not old for real, but it's getting old. And I low key don't want to deal with like the turbo issues and stuff. I know some people, depending on who you ask, some people like there's no turbo issues. Some people say there's turbo issues. I don't know. That's just something that I don't know if I want to handle right now. But I mean, I say that as if I'm not thinking about getting like an E90 BMW, like E90, E90, well, the E9 chassis. Let's say that the E9 chassis, not the convertible. I don't want E93. I don't jack the convertible, y'all. I'm sorry if y'all like the convertible. I don't do convertibles, but I'm thinking, I kind of want the coupe more so, like the coupe, because I already have a sedan right now, and to be honest, the G's are daily. Like I haven't like full send the motor or nothing. I haven't like done no tune, no turbo or nothing. Like the G's is the daily. I don't have to worry about like a lot of stuff going on. So I could get like like something like a E90, 92, like something in that area and be. I could be have some fun, y'all. But what y'all think about that? Like that's success. We got the Q50, we got the E9 chassis for the Beamers. Low key, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm bad at my BMW, so we go. There's another one I'm thinking of. That F80 chassis kind of a little bit more bread, but I mean it's not that bad. But I mean like it's like if you have like the F80 series, like the F84 series, there's those. Obviously not the M4 because I mean M4 is cool and all, but y'all still a college student, so gotta graduate first before I start getting balling out like that. But stuff like that. So there's that. Damn, I'm going to blank, y'all. I believe this is a whole impromptu video. I'm just sitting here like, yo, I want to talk about this. Y'all want to see if we can see some right comments or something to kind of feedback and get. But bro, oh Civic. I was thinking about SI low key SI wouldn't be too bad. I feel like it'd be a quick build, in my opinion. I think it'll be a quick build because like it's a little cheaper. Like there's the Civic SI, they're cheaper for parts and stuff. Like there's not a lot of labor like potential things that could go wrong, even though like there's stuff that could go wrong with like the clutch and everything. But I mean like keep it a buck, I probably wouldn't have the car long enough to even know about any problems. That's just how it might be. But there's that, and I don't know, y'all. Like let me know what y'all think of any other like potential builds and stuff. I would love to see what y'all think, like what kind of cars y'all think like y'all should build next and stuff. Obviously, like this the channel is Jalen's Garage, and we have one car right now. Technically two, but I'm not jacking that Ford Escape. I sold that already, and as y'all know, that was just something that I could like make some money off of to put some more money into the G, which I did actually do that as well. So, what y'all think? Like, no, what's the next car for Jalen's Garage, y'all? I don't know. I know I'm gonna be going to some car events this summer to see like other people builds and stuff about the car shows. And the more more I see some cars, maybe it'll be something that come out. I'm like, yo, this is it, yo. I'm gonna build this one, and it doesn't have to be like a salvage car or nothing. I'm not sticking to like that salvage car era right now, like the building cars to auction. Although it is pretty fun because it's like, damn, I build up this whole car, then I modded the car, full send it, and I'm having mad fun. But I mean, we'll see. Like, we'll see, y'all. Anyways, stay tuned, y'all, for that. Make sure y'all like this video. Comment down below what y'all think. I need y'all to comment. Let me know what potential builds. What y'all think about either the Q50s, SI, or like the E9 chassis Beamers. Like, let me know what y'all think, y'all. I don't know. I don't know. I'm low key leaning towards the Beamer just because of my area. They're pretty easy to find, honestly, and it's more so the 4-door easier to find. And I mean, like, I want the coupe. I'm not gonna lie, I want the coupe. And it just put this out there. I want the N54 motor, either N54 or I want N55. I don't want to do with the is it N20 or N20 motor. I don't want to do with that one. I don't. Yeah. I want to hear I want to be able to put it like hear the turbo, y'all. Intake, blow off valve, exhaust. Wait, because there's someone who has one there, but I don't remember if it sounds like that. But anyways, y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all. Stay tuned, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.